That looks pretty familiar. Hey Damon, didn't you drive one of these in Japan?
He did.
Oh, wait, is that him?
That's Damon in there. How'd they get that photo already?
Could be Damon.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Daily Gym Exotics. This is me. We got Raymond back in the vlog, and
back.
today's gonna be pretty special.
Why so special?
We're driving supercars. We're here right now at Fast Toys in Los Angeles, and they're gonna hook us up and hook you guys up with some epic car action. We must be at the right place. Mm-hmm. Here we go. What's up, guys? How's it going?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, there's the man.
How are we?
Nice to meet you.
Dave.
We got Raymond over here. He's hiding already.
I heard you guys have supercars.
We got a couple. Let's go.
Oh, look at that. We got a light show.
So we got the 720, 48 Spider, ZR1, 812. I know you guys typically stick with exotics, so you guys have a choice of 720S, 48 Spider, or the 812 Superfast.
Well, we're definitely taking that.
Come on.
You know, night and day difference here. Depends what you guys are going for with the Spider or the 812.
What do you guys do here at Fast Toys?
So essentially, Fast Toys is a membership program where members get allocated a certain amount of, let's say, credits, and the credits are between all the cars that we have here. All the cars run on a different credit schedule.
So basically, you don't have to own a supercar to drive a supercar.
No, so this is what we're trying to offer as the alternative to leasing or financing buying, you know, these cars where you pay a fraction of the price and you get access to, you know, over $3 million worth of the highest end supercars in the world.
We got Nate Bossy back in the vlog, you guys, with his beautiful Superleggera. How's it running?
It's running.
Is it broken in?
It's broken in.
I
It's
bet
ready,
it is.
Ready to redline. Sorry, Mark.
Kevin, there he is. Ready for this today, bro?
That's right.
And of course, we got Eric.
Ready for today.
Eric, you look tired. You okay, buddy?
I'm okay.
Are you okay?
That's weird.
That was weird.
Let's go check them out.
Let's go.
You ready?
Yeah.
We have a 720S, a 488 Spider, and of course,
The 812.
the 812. Do you see this? There's some movie cars.
Ooh.
What movie is this from, Raymond? You're an actor. Hold on! You're an actor. You're part of the guild.
You know, part of the guild.
What movie is this from?
Starsky and Hutch.
Yeah.
Yeah. and
What this one?
Is Kit from that movie with the guy that speaks to the car. That's super weird, but I love it.
David Hasselhoff drove this.
Yeah, David Hasselhoff.
I feel bad because I never watched this show, but
You know the car.
I know the car.
You know the car.
Oh, you think it talks back?
I mean, if it's
What are all
a
these buttons do?
dude, look at his eyes. Look at this. That's the Hoff right there,
What the heck? This is crazy.
dude. It's a little tube TV. Look at that steering wheel. Let's start in this thing. The
812.
How much power does this car make?
Right about 800 horsepower. Naturally aspirated V12, can't go wrong.
Oh, that sounds pretty good, hey? Oh, I'm excited. Oh, yeah. We're gonna start with me and that.
The hell was that? Sounded like an animal coming back to life.
12 and a Ferrari, bro. We're here at Fast Toys. We got fast cars.
No, we got fast boys.
What'd you say to me?
Yeah, you know it. You know it. I ain't paying child support to none of my kids, so I get to do this.
Come get your keys.
We got a selection. 812 for you.
812.
720 for you. 48 Spider for you.
It's labeled
You'll
too, in case
regret
you
that.
forget.
All right, now pick your passengers.
Raymond, you're with me.
Yeah.
Now you have to choose. So hold on. You choose Nate or Kevin. That's tough, man.
Yeah,
Oh!
he's ridden with me before. He knows what's up.
Raymond, you ready for the startup?
I got my seatbelt on. Of course I'm.
Okay, hold on. There's a lot of buttons here. There's a lot of buttons.
How are you supposed to start it?
I suspect. No, it's probably this one.
Yeah. Duh.
What?
Wait. It's this one. It's this one. It's this one.
Yeah. What? What? You know what? I'm gonna go on a whim.
Oh, engine start.
Dude, how good does that sound?
Sounds beautiful.
Dude.
Jeez.
I like Ferraris.
I think we're Ferrari guys now.
I think I'm a Ferrari guy. I always have been.
I mean, pop it
I'm
one.
gonna start being rude to valet from now on. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine.
That's fine.
That's fine. Where's Kevin?
No, just hanging out.
Let me get you a couple of... All right, Raymond, first thoughts on the 812 Superfast.
I love it.
It's definitely super fast.
It's beyond super fast.
They're lacking a little bit in creativity with the name, maybe a little bit. Like, what do we call it? Is it fast? Yeah. Some super fast.
Some guy popped out in the corner like, super fast.
I want super fast. Who is that? That's Eddie the janitor. Eddie, you're promoted.
From what? I don't work here.
How you liking that thing?
It kicks.
Are you a Ferrari guy now?
Yeah. When the turbos hit, it hits.
Look at Eric's face.
There it goes. Yeah. What up?
Casual drive, you know.
Dude, I want one of the Eric. I want one. How much is this car? Do you know? 812?
Right, 2 something.
That's it?
300, like close to 3.
Oh, that's a lot.
Yeah.
It's US dollars. I'm Canadian, so it's like $1 million.
Close to 3.
How do you like the 488?
I like it a lot. It sounds different, obviously, than my V10, but it has that turbo kick. I'm used to a supercharger where it's like constant power. This is like turbos are like bah, slap you in the face. Like oh,
Pow!
You look good in this thing, man.
you know what I'm saying?
Couple of red Ferraris in Santa Monica. 720. What are your thoughts? You've driven these before, I'm sure. Yeah.
They're fast.
It's fast.
Best bang for the buck, really.
Totally.
Yeah.
Okay, let's change it up a little bit. We're gonna take 720S.
Oh yeah.
812. Wait, is this your first doors go up experience? What?
I tried it with the Nissan Altima, but it broke. So you think I don't know how to do this? Hey, ladies, hit me up. Slide in my DM.
Closing the door. McLarens are definitely techie. Button, 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 button. Hey, yeah, they're not slow.
No, not slow at all.
Not slow. Not slow. Not slow. These roads are a little rough.
A little rough.
Dude, the back of that 812 is absolutely sexy.
And it sounds phenomenal.
Oh man.
We gotta get one, man.
Is the 812 on the list?
I don't know. I think we might as well add it to the list.
What is on the list? Because I can't even keep track anymore.
Raymond was on the list, and then you guys added me.
How epic is this backdrop, you guys?
I was beyond epic. Perfect. If I knew how to swim, I would have jumped in that water.
You guys. Raymond, get in that water.
I don't know how to.
You know how to float?
What if I die?
You got life insurance? Hey, you sell life insurance, don't you?
Yes.
So I'm gonna need you. Just come
I
on.
just need you to sign on paper.
Hey, matchy over here, you guys. This is like Ferrari red, isn't it?
Can we add this fire truck to the list?
Dude, this is on the list. What number is
Number
it?
69, boys.
Hey, 69, hey?
That's the truck right there.
You know what
That's
that
the
means,
crew.
right?
What?
That the 6 and the 9 are just like each other, so they congruent, I guess.
3 supercars.
Alright.
We have 2 twin turbo V8s, 1 NA V12. Raymond, you've been in 2 so far. You will be in the 812. No, you haven't been in the 488 yet.
Haven't been in the 40.
Yeah. You'll get a chance. But right now, based on what you've learned, which car would you take?
720.
Features of a McLaren is you can shift up and down with one paddle on this side. Boy, the signal's on. Yeah, so watch. Wait, I won't let me do anything. I'm going too slow. But just trust me. You can go minus, so pull towards you, and then you can shift up the other way, so the opposite of what it says. So you can literally do with one hand.
Damn, that's mind blowing.
Mind blowing, dude. An 812, I'm telling you guys, it's literally
Looks
so good.
Yeah.
Look at this thing. Another cool feature of the 720S I learned recently was the brake isn't touchy at all. You have to actually mash it to grab. And they did that because they figured people that bought this car might ride the brakes a bit because they're nervous with the speed. So they made the brake not super grabby. So you don't wear your brakes
so
down.
it's not sensitive at all.
It's not. You gotta like hammer it. Versus the Ferrari's pretty sensitive. I'm also pretty sensitive. What have I done with my life?
You supercar owners think that you guys can block the road? Hey, I'm talking to you, sir.
I can still hear him talking back there.
I don't like your car. Your car's ugly.
We got a Ferrari, McLaren, a pretend Ferrari, and another Ferrari. We got the whole lineup out here at Valet.
We balling.
Dude, thanks for hooking this up for us. Where are we eating today?
The Misfit.
How am I not surprised that you picked the Misfit?
Perfect for us.
It's officially the food vlog. Okay, you guys, I lied about the food vlog because unfortunately they have a no filming policy in there. This is a news helicopter. I don't know what's going on. They probably knew DDU's in town.
Hey, you know how
we out here. Oh, look at the setup. Now it's the proper setup because of California left. Look at this.
Yeah, how about I don't drive?
So sorry. I'm so sorry. This thing got hit by a bird hard.
Really?
Yeah. Who was in here last? I can't fit in here.
Short, obviously.
Hold on. Hold on.
You know it wasn't
Hold on.
so.
They're here for you?
Uh-oh.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Alright guys, first time driving a 488. Ooh.
Is that how you started?
There we go.
One more.
Close. How do we do this?
We're trying to be humble. Hashtag humble.
Things are happening.
Oh snap! Hashtag unhumble. Oh, we about to show off now. Oh,
There we go.
There we go. Super fancy.
Dude, that's way better.
I feel
Oh, things are happening right now.
things are supposed to be happening right now.
This is by far my favorite car so far.
Is it?
Yeah. This car's sick.
You look amazing in it, bro.
I want this car.
You just look amazing in general.
Yeah, you do. You do.
Wait.
Oh, no.
Sorry, I got weird for a second.
Yeah, it did a little bit.
Not gonna lie to you, dude. I'm kind of digging the Spider right now.
Be honest. I
Top
really
down?
don't feel- We can do whatever we
Put
want.
my hands up here when I drive.
I mean, I don't think you're supposed to.
Oh,
What's wrong with you, Dave?
do you like this car?
I love this car. I love every single car that we had today. To be honest, though, I love the 720S.
Ferrari.
You're a Ferrari guy. You look like a Ferrari guy.
I'm a Ferrari guy.
Dave's a little bit too cool for
Whenever
me
you
right
say
now.
Ferrari, you have to grab your shirt.
You're a Ferrari guy. You
Ferrari
know?
guy. I'm a Ferrari guy.
So to the fact that we're Ferrari guys, we just love being Ferrari guys. So Ferrari forever. I feel like Nate needs this car.
I need this car.
He's about to rip it, y'all.
think this is the fastest. Oh, for sure. Fast Toys? What an epic concept. We walked in and Nate got distracted by this Performante.
Oh yeah.
So hold on, would it be a 720S or Performante?
Honestly, the 720S is like the funnest driving, and like you feel like you're like in a cockpit, you know what I mean? Like, but I gotta stick with Lambo, you know?
Yeah.
So I would definitely pick a Performante,
Yeah.
but the 720 was definitely very, 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 very fun. I didn't want to come back.
How about you, Kevin? What was your favorite car today?
It's super fast.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it.
It's fast, it's comfortable.
What's your favorite car?
Thanks, man. I would say 720S was the most fun to drive, but if I had to pick one to buy, it'd be the A12. The car's crazy looking.
Yeah,
And it sounds amazing.
It does fit Dave, to be honest.
That
let's be clear.
V12 is like,
Like, what a cool concept. We all buy memberships here. Come to Fast Toys, grab a few cars, go for a rip for the day. I'm gonna hook you guys up with a discount. If you wanna come here, get a membership, drive some epic cars, link in description. Dude, this is the way to do it.
Oh yeah, for sure. So this is the best place if you want cars on demand without having to pay for what? Depreciation, all the maintenance costs, even washing it. We even put the gas in it for you. So
Seriously?
Yeah, so you just call or text us and I'll bring
Do you
a
do
car
the
out
oil
to you.
changes?
We do everything.
Because I don't do any of that stuff.
Yeah,
in
no,
my
we do
cars.
everything. You don't have to worry about anything, just what car you want to drive that day. Super easy.
Well,
We're gonna
that's
use
legit.
the code DDE, right?
Yeah, and if they want to take a car for 20, like how's it, can they have it for a full day, or is it limited, or does it go by a day, hour?
This is on-demand service, so once you're in the club, you are charged for a 24-hour period, but you can keep it up to 2 weeks if you're in the club.
Really?
You get bored of the Lambo, you can grab the GT2 RS, you get bored of that, you can grab the 488, and you can swap them out each weekend, each day. It's totally up to you, and we deliver on holidays too, so it doesn't matter.
There you go, you guys.
It's your cars.
This is epic. So if you're in LA area, you need to get down here, and we'll be back. There's more cars to drive. Appreciate it.
Thanks for
you
coming
guys.
by.
You know what to do. Click the link and come check out Fast Toys. You guys, say goodbye to Raymond. Thanks for being in the vlog. Say goodbye to Kevin. Say goodbye to Eric.
Safe ride.
And we're not done yet. We're gonna go for a
not
ride in
done.
this thing,
we're going.
which apparently I just found out. Is it a secret? No, it's not a secret.
No, it's not.
This car's for sale, and it's a super good price. So.
And it's supercharged.
And it's supercharged, yeah, I didn't even plan it that way. So we'll go for a ride and I'll tell you how you can buy it.
How much?
You do in-house financing?
No.
Cash only. Holy fast. And that's the one thing those cars are missing today is noise. The grit. Okay, so this car obviously is supercharged. How much power does it make?
Around 800.
And they're selling it for,
160.
you guys, 160 you can have this car. It's Nate Bossy on Instagram. We'll tag him and all that stuff. Hit him up, buy this car. And if you buy this car, we'll come vlog the experience. We'll come vlog your first time driving it. So there's an incentive for you guys. Unless I buy it, then I'll vlog it myself. The whole force out.
I'm driving perfect.
Look at me. I'm in automatic mode, officer. Coming in hot.
We're late.
My flight leaves in 2 hours. Oh wait. There's a great equalizer right there. I'm beat. I'm ready to go home. I'm definitely sitting on the plane, but Damon's wife just texted me and said your seat doesn't recline. And I booked my flight this time, so yeah, upright flight. Dude, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it. Pleasure as always. Be back in a week.
And we're gonna go have fun with that perf when you get back.
Yes, the Performante next time. All right, dude, drive safe.
All right, man.
I'm gonna film you leaving. You'll do it responsibly. I knew he'd do that. The truck's a little dirty right now. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Thank you so much for watching. Smash the subscribe button. Get some epic DD merch. Shop.dd.com, links in the description. I'll see you guys next video. Peace.